Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix voice recording not working on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So restart device, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button, restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to force stop camera, so click on force stop. Again click on force stop. You will see your camera app is force stop. And you will check your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on storage and usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix video recording not working on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.